Hello friends, welcome back to our English tuition. Friends, in this video we discuss short question answer of the topic My Greatest Olympic Prize Unit 2. Please watch this video mindfully beginning to end and notes the answers. ओके प्रिय बंधुगण एही वीडियो रे आमे +2 सेकेंड ईयर स्टूडेंट मानकर इंग्लिश प्रोज माय ग्रेटेस्ट ओलंपिक प्राइज रो यूनिट 2 रो क्वेश्चन आंसर गुडी कर आलोचना करिबा। आपण माने मन देई वीडियो टी को आरंभ टू शेष पर्यंत देखंतु आ आंसर गुडी को जदी पारिबे तेबे नोट करि नियंतु। रेडी माय ग्रेटेस्ट ओलंपिक प्राइज रा यूनिट 2 क्वेश्चन आंसर 1 व्हाट डज ए कोच से अबाउट एन एंग्री एथलीट। क्वेश्चन 1 व्हाट डज ए कोच से अबाउट एन एंग्री एथलीट माने जणे क्रोधान्वित खेलाड़ी विषय रे खेल प्रशिक्षक कौन कहती। आंसर ए कोच says that an angry athlete will commit mistake. In other words, he says that anger is the worst enemy of an athlete. Question 2 what are the results of the first two qualifying jumps for Owens? आउथरे कहूची what are the results of the first two qualifying jumps for Owens? Owens कर प्रथम दुईटा क्वालिफाइंग जंप रो फलाफल कौन थिला। आंसर the results of the first two qualifying jumps for Owens were miserable. Full stop. He jumped from several inches outside the takeoff board for a no jump. Hello. Question 3. Why did Owens kick the pit? Owens काहे की से खाल को किक करुथिले गोइठा मारुथिले। आंसर Owens kicked the pit because he failed during the trials. Full stop. He was disgusted. Full stop. Question 4. Who offered Owens a firm handshake? Was he friendly or hostile? आउथरे कहूची who offered Owens a firm handshake माने Owens को किए हैंडशेक पाई हाथ बढ़ाइले बा Owens का सहित किए हैंडशेक कले। was he friendly or hostile ताहा बंधुत्वपूर्ण थिला ना शत्रुतापूर्ण थिला। आंसर Luz Long, a German long jumper, offered Owens a firm handshake. Full stop. He was friendly. Full stop. Question 5. Why did Long speak to Owens during the trials? Did he mean to make friendship with Owens or to find out what was troubling him? आउथरे कहूची why did Long speak to Owens during the trial माने Owens ए Luz Long कौन पाई ट्रायल गेम समय रे Owens का सहित कथावार्ता हेले। Did he mean to make friendship with Owens or to find out what was troubling him? से कथा हेबार माने थिला कौन ओवेन्स कर समस्या कौन ताहा जणाइबा ना ओवेन्स को सहित बंधुता स्थापन करिबा। आंसर लॉन्ग spoke to Owens during the trials to help him. Full stop. He wanted to find out what was troubling him. Okay. Question 6. He really looked the part. What does this mean? Does it mean Long was trying to play the part of an Aryan, or he looked as if he belonged to a superior race? ये जो सेंटेंस he really looked the part, यही एक्सप्रेशन टार माने कौन? What does this mean? या माने कौन? Does it mean Long was trying to play the part of an Aryan? यार माने कौन? लुज लॉन्ग आर्यन रो भूमिका निभाउछंती, और he looked as if he belonged to a superior race, ना से गोटे उच्च जातिर बलि देखौछंती। आंसर he really looked the part means Luz Long was trying to play the part of an Aryan. Hello? Question 7. How did Luz Long help Jess Owens in qualifying for the final jumps? आउ थरे कहूची, how did Luz Long help Owens in qualifying for the final jumps? फाइनल जंप रे क्वालिफाई हवा पाई लुज लॉन्ग ओवेन्स को किपरि सहाय्य कले? आंसर लुज लॉन्ग helped Jess Owens in qualifying for the final jumps by suggesting him to draw a line a few inches at the back of the takeoff board and focusing on this, start from there to jump. Question 8. Tomorrow is what counts. What did Luz Long mean by this? Does he mean that Owens would win the next day, or their performance the next day would matter much? आउ थरे कहूची, tomorrow is what counts. What did Long mean by this? Does he mean that Owens would win the next day, or their performance the next day would matter much? Answer Long means that, माने Luz Long means that Owens would win the next day. Hello. Question 9. Did Owens qualify for the final jump? How did he do that? माने Owens final jump पाई qualify हेले की? How did he do that? से ताहा किपरि कले? Answer thanks to Luz Long's friendly advice, Owens qualified for the final jump. Brimming with confidence, he drew a line a full foot behind the board and advanced to jump from there and qualified for the final jump. ये थिला माय ग्रेटेस्ट ओलंपिक प्राइज रो यूनिट 2 क्वेश्चन आंसर। नेक्स्ट वीडियो रे यूनिट 3 रो क्वेश्चन आंसर देवी। पाठ्यगत वीडियो गुडी को आपण माने आग्रह सहकारे देखु नाहंती, जदि एथिरे किछि अनावना वीडियो कथा कहै थांता, अनावना विषय रे वीडियो हुआंता, मोर दिन को 2000-3000 व्यू हेई थांता। मते दुख लगे यह जे स्टूडेंट बंधु माने मध्य सेमानंकर आवश्यकता कौन को विषय सेमानक पई नेसेसरी ता से बुझी पारि नाहंती। आउ केते पाठ पढ़िले आपण माने बुझिबे आपण मानक पई नेसेसरी थिंग कौन।